If you've ever wanted to search on X, formerly Twitter, by date, this video is going to make it super easy. Whether you're trying to find an old post, track a trend, research a topic, or just look up tweets from a specific time period, there are two simple ways to do it. And in this guide, I'll walk you through both methods step by step. If this helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The fastest way to search on X with a date is by using search operators directly in the X search bar. This is the method I recommend if you already know the keyword you want to search. First, open X and go to the search bar at the top. Type in the word, phrase, or account-related keyword you want to search for. Now here's the important part. If you want tweets after a certain date, use the word since followed by a colon and the date in this format: year, month, and day. So the full format looks like keyword since YYYY-MM-DD. For example, if you want to search for SpaceX posts after January 1st, 2026, you would type SpaceX since 2026 0101. This tells X to show results only from that date forward. It's really useful if you want recent posts after an event, announcement, launch ESAs, or news update. If you want the opposite and need tweets from before a certain date, use until instead. The format is keyword until YYYM-MDD. So if you searched SpaceX until 2026 0501, X would show posts made before May 1st, 2026. This is great when you're researching what people were saying for a product launch, a major update, or a trending moment. You can also combine these operators for a tighter date range. For example, you could search keywords since 2026 to 0101 until 2026 0601 to see tweets only between those dates. That's one of the best ways to narrow down huge search results and get exactly what you need. Now, if you don't want to remember search syntax, there's another easy method using X's advanced search interface. This option is better if you prefer clicking through menus instead of typing operators manually. To do that, go to the official X advanced search page. Once it opens, enter your keywords in the search fields near the top. After that, scroll all the way down until you find the dates section. This part is easy to miss, so make sure you scroll to the bottom carefully. In the data section, you'll see fields for from and to. Under from, choose the month, day, and year you want to start searching from. Under to, choose the month, day, and year you want to end on. Once your date range is set, click the search button in the top right corner. X will now filter the results based on both your keywords and the date range you selected. This is especially helpful if you're searching for older tweets, archived conversations, or posts from a specific event window. Here are a few quick tips to make your searches even better. First, keep the date format exactly as year, month, day when using search operators, because the wrong format may not work correctly. Second, use short and specific keywords if you're getting too many results. Third, try combining date filters with other search terms to narrow things down faster. And fourth, if you're researching a trend, use both since and until to compare different time periods. So to recap, if you want to search on X or Twitter with a date, you can either use search operators like since and until for the fastest method, or use the advanced search page and manually set your date range. Both methods work well, and once you get used to them, finding old posts becomes much easier. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.